March 15, 1920, near Center, North Dakota. A blizzard descends with blinding snow and howling winds. 14-year-old Hazel Miner, her younger brother Emmett, and sister Meredith are trapped returning home from school in a horse-drawn sleigh. The landscape vanishes. The horse wanders in circles, lost. As temperatures plummet, the sleigh overturns. With no shelter in sight, Hazel pulls her siblings beneath the overturned sled, wrapping them in whatever clothing she can spare. She shields their bodies with her own, whispering songs and stories to keep them calm through the endless, freezing night. The storm rages for over 24 hours. Rescue arrives at dawn. Emmett and Meredith are alive, barely, but Hazel is motionless, her body frozen in place. She had given every ounce of warmth to protect them. The siblings survive because Hazel never stopped shielding them from the cold, even as her own strength faded. Hazel Miner's sacrifice is both heartbreaking and heroic. The exact words she spoke to comfort her siblings remain unknown, lost to the storm. Her grave still stands as a silent reminder of a chilling night and a haunting act of love. Follow for more real-life stories that reveal the darkest corners of history.